ran out of ideas, so we're just following the masses. Where are the masses going? Places you're not federally allowed to go, like places like this.
Speak if you want to go to Area 51. I don't know what to do with my hands. Alright guys, welcome to another Blacktop Excursions video. Today we are coming to you from the Charlotte area, but later...
Thought you had like 3 chances to fuck this up. We're already fucking too.
Yeah, I know, this is not good.
I mean, bleeping it up.
Alright guys, welcome to another Blacktop Excursions video. Today we're coming from... The ultimate downside of these rooms is they're a pain in the ass to clean. Oh, that's going to be rough. That was a bad idea. I should have gotten you get like a shitty wash rag.
Dude, that thing gets washed.
Yeah, but that's like pure brake dust. Like it's already turned to soap. Okay. Look at it. You ever wondered what 45,000 miles of brake dust looks like? Now you know.
Yeah, that was a lot of
Gotcha.
So with AAA, I can get it done. I mean, it's not much less. It's about $363.37 for those days.
Gotcha.
Welcome to another Blacktop Excursions video. Today we're coming at you from Charlotte, North Carolina, and later this month we won't be coming at you from Charlotte, we'll be coming at you from Las Vegas because we are going to storm Area 51. We're going to be leaving on the 16th or the 17th, 17th, and we're going to be driving out, sightseeing, all kinds of good stuff, and then we're going to stay in Vegas and then be there for the morning of the 20th and hanging out and seeing what's going on around Area 51. Should be a good time. So, yeah.
It is 4,400 miles, so sightseeing will be a must. I don't know how you could drive 2,200 miles in one direction, a solid direction, west, and not see anything.
Yeah.
So we do have a few places that we're going to stop on the way, which one of the first stops is going to be...
We're going to stop at the Grand Canyon, which neither of us have been there, I don't think.
No.
And then the Hoover Dam shortly thereafter, because they're only like a couple hours apart.
Right.
If you guys know any good places to stop along I-40 on the way out, drop those down in the comments because that'll be helpful.
I.e. food.
Food, yes. Good food places.
Yeah.
We're both fat, kind of. He less than I, but that's okay. And we do have 2 choices on cars.
We do.
Yeah, we got 2 choices. So, right here, we have my Mustang.
Fuel economy.
Not really. And then over here, we have a Scat Pack Charger.
Comfort.
Definitely more comfortable than the Mustang. Now, not to say the Mustang's uncomfortable, but we do have a decision to make whether to put the miles on the Charger or on the Mustang. Either way, we'll put a poll up or something, or let us know in the comments what car you would like us to take, and we'll do that. So,
of course.
Anything else we need to tell them?
No, I believe that's it.
All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and join us on this little adventure. It should be a good time, unless we get arrested or
Recruited into a cult.
killed, abducted by aliens or people.
Shot by the government a lot of times.
Yes, that could be it too. I don't know what group you're going in, but I'm definitely not going in with the Naruto runners.
Oh, I'm staying in Vegas.
Vegas? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, guys. So this is the... Oh, let's make sure she's zoomed out. She is zoomed out. So this is the Mustang pre 5,000 mile road trip. So we went through and kind of cleaned out the Brimbos and all that stuff, the rims, and got the car kind of clean. I don't want to put a whole lot of effort into it to get it perfectly clean before driving 5,000 miles, but it's definitely cleaner than it was a little while ago. And it turns out these Brembo pads are virtually indestructible. So we've checked these pads like 6 times or something ridiculous, and every time we come back it's like they have more pad than what they originally had. So we're about as ready. We did a visual inspection on all the brake pads and all the brake lines and stuff. So the car is about as ready as it's going to be for Vegas. So